Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining me. I hope that you're well. My name is Mark. I'm from Restless, the UK's largest and fastest growing jobs, advice and community site for the over 50s. If you haven't come across us before, do check us out at restless.co.uk. We've got loads of good resources for you. But the purpose of today is to give you a step-by-step demonstration into a platform called Zoom, which is a great platform for doing video conference calls. It's brilliant, it's completely free to use, it's quick and simple to get set up. You do not need to be a tech whiz in order to use it. It originally was a work collaboration tool, but we also think it could be great for holding online social events with your friends and family, and also for familiarising yourselves with things like video interviews and things like that. So let's get into it, shall we? Right, so let's go to the Zoom homepage. So I could just go to the URL zoom.us, but I'm just going to Google it because here we go, it's the top result. And as you can see from here on the homepage, it is completely free to sign up, and you could sign up with your email using this thing here, but actually I'm going to click the blue link in the top right, as that's also going to show you that as well as your email address, you can use your Google account or your Facebook account. You might find that a little bit easier to do, but for the sake of this, I'm going to use my email address to sign up. So I'm just going to grab that. Okay, so here we go. Right, let's sign up. Right, so I'm just going to click confirm here, and they sent me a verification email, so I'm going to go and grab that from my inbox, which should arrive any second now. Here we go. So all you need to do here is click on the blue activate account button, and then that's going to open up this page, which is going to ask you a little bit more information. So let's enter my first name, my second name, then I'm going to create a password. Of course, you want to make this something that you can remember, but not something that's easily hackable, such as your name or your date of birth. So I'm not going to tell you what mine is, obviously, but here we go. I've entered something. Let's save that now. And right, so we're in. And the next step that Zoom is going to ask you to do is invite your colleagues, because remember, this was originally built as being a team work collaboration platform. I'm actually not going to do this right now, because what I want to do is have an account. I can set up a video, and then I can invite people as and when I'm going to set up some kind of video conference. So I'm going to skip this step. So that's it. That's as quick as it is. Very, 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 very easy and free. So the first thing to do is you can then, from here, click this orange button, which is Start Meeting. You've also got a personal meeting URL here, but let's just start a meeting now. So it's going to ask me to download the Zoom desktop app. So I'm going to do that. Doesn't take very long. Okay, here we go. It's ready to open that file. So it's going to install. And this is literally how quick it is. Like, it's nearly done already. And what it should do now is open up Zoom on my computer. Okay, so I'm going to join with my computer audio. So I am currently the only person in this meeting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate what happens if I invite someone. So I'm going to copy that URL, and then I'm going to send it to one of my friends, and hopefully they're going to join us very, very shortly. I'll come back when they do. Okay, so it looks like we have my friend here, Olivier, who's joined the call. Say hello to everyone, Olivier. Thanks very much. I'm just very, very quickly going to demonstrate that you can do things like mute your audio by clicking this button in the bottom left here. Turn that back on. And also, I can also turn on my video, which I actually had turned off by default. So now Olivier there can now see me, and I can turn that off again if I would like to, if I don't want Olivier to see what I'm doing right now. You've also got things like inviting people down here, and you can see who's in the meeting at the moment. So there he is, Olivier Smith. He's even got a surname, which is fantastic. And that's literally all it is. So you can invite multiple people to this. So it's a great way to keep in touch with people. Also a great way at work to keep in touch with colleagues if you're working from home. So I hope you find it easy. And if you've got any questions, do send us an email at info@restless.co.uk. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye-bye.